Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Motorola Moto G5. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on voice match. Then click here to enable your Hey Google feature. And now you have to scroll down and click I agree, and scroll down and click I agree again. Now click next. And then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on, and now you can go back and go back again and click on Gemini. And now as you can see my Gemini is enabled, so now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.